Hello, welcome to Basic Crochet. Now that you have went and bought your yarn, I wanted to go over the care instructions of your yarn. That would be all of these little funky symbols here and what they mean. The little one here that looks kind of like a wash machine, it's to symbolize wash machine, meaning your yarn is machine washable. The dot in the middle is going to tell you the temperature. So 1 dot is cold. If it has 2 dots, then you can wash it in warm water, and 3 dots would mean that you can wash it in hot water. If there's no dots in there, then that would mean that you want to wash it on delicate cycle. The little square is going to indicate your dryer and the temperature of the dryer. 1 dot means that you can tumble dry this on a low. If it were a big black circle inside the square, that means that you could tumble dry it, but no heat at all. Then if it doesn't have a dot and it's just a circle in there, that's going to mean that you can tumble dry it on normal. The triangle is going to be your bleach, if you could bleach this yarn. And as you can see, this is X'd out, meaning do not bleach this yarn. Your next symbol here is going to be the iron, and what your iron setting should be. As you can see, this one here has an X through it, so you cannot iron this yarn. If it has just the symbol of the iron, then that would mean that you can iron it on steam or on dry. If it has a dot in there, then it would mean iron on low. The circle is going to be if you can dry clean this yarn. And as you can see, it's X'd out. This yarn that I bought cannot be dry cleaned. The only other thing that you need to know is sometimes when you're dealing with instructions, it'll tell you how many yards you're going to need to make something on instructions. But this yarn here is 220 yards. And it is a 10.5 ounce. And then back over the lot, how important the lot is, that this yarn was in lot number, it was dyed in lot number 161110. And that number is really important because if you get two different yarns that were, or two of the same yarns, but they were dyed in two totally different lots, you may see that at the end of your work if you're making a big blanket, and that would be sad because we don't want to do that. So there's your care instructions for the yarn that you have.